One, two. 1 2 1 2 1 2. Welcome to another video of Work in Progress. I am on this weird angle. I'm in the back of Penelope. Gonna tell you a long story, so stick along for it. But it is gonna be a really confusing video for a bit of it. So do stick along, subscribe, and check you in the next clips to come. Sharp.
The more I try, the less I get back.
No.
I don't wanna die, I just don't want to live. 'Cause in my 20 years, I've never felt a thing. I don't wanna die, I just don't want to live. 'Cause in my 20 years, I've never felt a thing. I don't wanna die, I just don't want to live. The more I try, the less I get back.
No.
So as you guys saw in the clips before this, yeah, where do I start, man? I think the first bit of it is gonna be what happened. So in the start of the video, you guys are gonna check me. I was chasing down this weird feeling in Penelope, especially on the steering wheel. What happened was I came out of Windhoek, as you guys know in the previous video. If you haven't checked that vlog, check that vlog out. In the previous video, I was driving from Windhoek, and then yeah, once again the car died again, just outside of Okanya. Then what happened was I was chasing down this feeling on the steering wheel ever since we came out of Windhoek. It was this weird vibration and weird like back and forth on the steering. I don't know how to describe it because you can't see it in video really. But then I was like, okay, sharp, it's probably gonna be the front left coilover. Change the front left coilover. I put the coilover spring on top of the factory strut, and it actually drove a lot better than the coilover because the coilovers are actually really done. I got these second hand 2 years ago and they were kind of cool, but I got them really cheap too. I got them for real cheap. But the problem was they're really blown out, especially the front ones. They're really blown out. Then I swapped it over. It felt a lot better. Drove it. That was the Saturday night. The Saturday night, yeah. The Sunday, I did an afternoon drive, and then I got to the bank, reversed the car, and just hear clunk. And that was the lower ball joint coming out. Now, when I was installing the coilover strut, the coilover spring on the factory strut, I did notice that this lower ball joint probably needs to be replaced. And at the time, I was like, yeah, we're gonna replace it eventually. And then that just like spiraled. So I had to work the car at night, leaves the car there, which broke my heart. The next morning, get a tow in to take the car to Allen, where me and Allen, then I had to spend 2 days sourcing a ball joint in Namibia, which is crazy. 2 days, sourced a ball joint, got the ball joint, then after getting the ball joint, put the ball joint in, and then having the inner CV giving me issues for 2 days. Fixed the inner CV, couldn't find another inner CV. I had to just MacGyver and make the one in the car work. Then the car was driving sharp. But that was like over a course of a week. Everything of that happened in a week, and your guy was really down bad. My front left fender is chopped now. You guys can see there's a slight crease in the thing. Yeah, so yeah, it was a really bad moment for your guy. If you guys check my Instagram, it was really, really not the nicest thing for me. I don't enjoy when my car breaks down, especially when it's something I can't really fix immediately. Yeah, especially when it's something I can't fix immediately. Especially with something like that, where it's like I can't find the parts and what, and it's this whole drama, and it's like a lot of money spent, and like not unnecessarily, but a lot of my savings money and stuff just got. I spent like 1.2, like just in a matter of 5 days, which for me is not cool if you spend it on parts that keep the car going and not mod parts. She's driving relatively okay. Yeah, relatively. So yeah, that was pretty sad. I was bummed out for like a couple of days. That's why I haven't been posting. Just getting back into the rhythm of trying to, yeah. Immediately a lot of thoughts went through my head. But on that note, we made a cool friend. Made a really cool friend, and which you guys probably saw. I'm gonna probably show that clips after this. Made a Brazane as this D15 white old spec Ballard, really clean car. Tried working on his car to lift his coilovers, but his coilovers are just as chopped as mine. So yeah, that was a really cool side quest. So now that the sad stuff are out of the way, we actually got into some fun. We got to install the back box I got from Donato Farmer. Shout out to Donato from Filthy Customs. Really cool dude. Once again, if you guys haven't checked out his work, go check out his Instagram. I'll link it down below again. Thank you so much, Donato. Got to put in that exhaust. I was trying to get myself into a redemption for the ball joint situation. Yeah. So, yeah, it was really cool. I got to do it with Nico. Shout out to Nico. Now, before you see the clips, I know we didn't do the correct welding in terms of the correct type of welding. You guys most want for exhaust, you actually needed to use gas. We ended up using arc welding with the rods. I think it came out pretty well. The fitment is kind of terrible. I am gonna fix that eventually, but she sounds a lot better, drives a lot better. It's just like, it's such a better experience, just gaining points back with Penelope. So yeah, that was pretty cool. It was really cool to do that. You guys are probably going to see those clips. Yeah, you're probably going to see those clips now. Yeah, something else also happened in Penelope. I'm fighting a coolant leak. I do, however, want to keep you guys. Yeah, should I tell you guys this? Should I not tell you this? I'm gonna do this interruption just to remind you to subscribe, and yeah, subscribe. I don't know why you're not subscribed. Subscribe. I'm just gonna tell you guys this. So I actually have been contemplating, should I still continue doing YouTube? I think there's a really good audience of you guys out there that love Penelope and love these DIY, but these DIY things are not really gonna really get me into the space where I want to be with YouTube, or even with the things I want to do with YouTube. So I was contemplating, should I quit YouTube, should I not upload, should I do, but then I was like, there's a lot of you that are really loyal followers to this channel, and I think I owe it to you guys to stick through it throughout the difficulty of me creating content, because you guys know have been struggling with content for a really long time. I have been struggling with content, particularly with content on what like mods and stuff I want to do for Penelope. I have a cool video in mind. I might be working on that in the next video, because I have been in my DIY bag for some time. So I do want to be trying out new skills. I've been trying out welding. Gonna push that needle a bit more to weld. I do want to do some fiberglass stuff, fiberglass project that's coming up, really cool. That's gonna be really fun to do. So I'm excited for the video because I think you guys enjoy the videos where I'm more excited and it can translate just better into the videos itself. But yeah, to stick along for that, thank you so much for watching the video this long. I'm sorry, I know it's probably not the longest video. I know it's probably the most enjoying content, but I do thank you guys for sticking along for the ride and to be in the loop for any new stuff we're gonna be doing on the channel, which is possibly gonna happen whenever it's gonna happen. I'm not gonna say when. Guys, for any one of you with your YouTube conspiracies, I am still married. I just forgot to wear my ring for this video. It's in there. I'm in front of my house. Don't. But yeah, this was fun. Check you guys in the next one. Stay safe. Drive your car. And yeah, check you when I check you. Sharp.